Hey food lovers! Today I'm going to show you how to make the iconic Culvers style ButterBurger right at home, buttery, juicy, and absolutely delicious. You don't need a drive-through when you've got this recipe in your kitchen. Here's what you'll need to make your very own ButterBurger. Simple ingredients: big flavor ground beef, 80/20 soft burger buns, butter and salted salt and pepper, sliced cheese, pickles, onions, tomato, lettuce, optional ketchup, mustard, mayo. Start with 1 pound of ground beef. Gently form into loose balls, don't overpack them. You want that smash burger style texture. Season each with a pinch of salt and pepper. Keep it simple, that's the Culver's way. Now, take those soft burger buns and butter the insides generously. That buttery crunch is what makes a ButterBurger so addictive. Time to cook. Heat your skillet or griddle on medium-high. Place the beef balls and smash them down with a spatula. Cook for about 2 minutes per side. Once the edges get crispy, add your cheese and let it melt beautifully. Now stack it up: toasted bun, juicy patty, cheese, and your favorite toppings. I'm going classic with pickles, onions, and a little mayo. And there it is, buttery, melty, crispy, the perfect homemade ButterBurger. Let's take a bite. Oh yeah! That's everything you love about Culver's right in your kitchen. If you loved this recipe, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more comfort food classics. And let me know in the comments what fast food recipe I should make next.